Doily Designs chain rows. As you can see, there's a small and a large pattern. We're going to do the small in this video. You can use anywhere from an E to an I hook. I'm using an E today and red worsted weight acrylic yarn. So begin with a slip knot on your hook. And we're going to chain 34. Once you have 34 chain, you're going to do a beginning double crochet in that second chain space. Single crochet front loop only to equal a double crochet. Now we're going to skip one and do a V-stitch with a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same space. And repeat that, skip 1 and do a V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same space. We'll repeat that across. Yawn, snore. This is the most boring row of the chain rows, but a very necessary row of the chain rows. And we'll do a V in that last chain space. Now we're going to turn and do a beginning, and we'll do a beginning treble in that turning space. So single crochet front loop only of the single crochet that you just made, and do that again with another single crochet front loop only, and this equals a beginning treble, or you could do a chain 4 there. Now we'll do a treble in that chain space and 2 treble in the next space. And chain 4 and slip stitch in that same space, chain 4 and 2 treble in that same space. Treble is yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And we'll do 2 treble in the next space. Chain 4 and slip stitch back in that same space. And 4 and 2 half treble and then this space. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. And we'll do 2 treble in the next space. Chain 4 and slip stitch in that same space. Now we're going to chain 3 and do 2 half treble again. 2 half treble in that same space. 2 half treble in the next space. Chain 3 and slip in the same. Chain 3, half treble, 2 half treble, two half treble in the next, chain 3, slip in the same. Now we'll do chain 2, I think, 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the next. Chain 2 and slip in the same. And we'll repeat that. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, and 2 in the next, chain 2 and slip in the same space. Chain 2, and we're going to do that. Do a chain 2 and 1 single crochet and 1 in the next. Oh, I got between. Make sure you're going in the same space. And we'll repeat this. We'll repeat this, double crochet in 1 and then double crochet in the next, chain 2 and slip in the same. Now we're going to do a chain 1 half double crochet, chain 1 half double crochet and half double crochet in the next. Chain 1 and slip in the same. Chain 1, half double in the same, half double in the next. Chain 1 and slip in the same. Chain 1, half double in the next, chain 1 and slip, chain 1, half double in the same, chain 1 and slip in the same. Now we're going to slip down to that bottom chain, okay. So this is the top where the stitches, you can see the top of the stitches. I want you to flip it so that the top is, the bottom, wrong side is up, and you're going to start rolling it into itself, wrong side into itself, and doing a single crochet through the V round. So we'll just single crochet, and we'll roll as we single crochet through that V round. This will get harder as you roll, and you want to keep that bottom flush. It takes a little patience and finessing. You just keep rolling and adding. All the way around to the end, where we will flip our rows over and check our petal, last petal especially. Maybe it needs pulled more in, so I'm going to tack that down. Just going into that side and down into the flower. And then you can fasten off, and you have your chain rows, no wilt, 10-minute chain rows. Hope you enjoyed this pattern by Doily Designs. Find the tutorial for the larger, fuller chain rows on my channel at Cathleen's Doily Designs on YouTube. Thank you.